Could there be a simpler, more effective way to introduce your kids to the world of investing than with the change you'd typically find under your couch cushions? It's a question many parents ponder as they navigate the increasingly complex landscape of financial literacy. We all want our children to grow up understanding the value of a dollar, the power of saving, and the magic of compounding, but traditional methods often fall flat. Piggy banks are charming, sure, but they don't quite capture the dynamic nature of modern finance. And let's be honest, trying to explain stock market fluctuations to a 7-year-old can feel like teaching calculus to a goldfish. The truth is, in an age where financial decisions are made with a tap on a screen and money often feels like an abstract concept of numbers in the cloud, equipping our children with practical money skills is more crucial than ever. We're not just talking about counting coins here, we're talking about understanding income, expenses, saving, investing, and the often overlooked art of delayed gratification. It's about setting them up for a future where they can confidently manage their finances, make informed choices, and avoid the pitfalls that can plague adults who never received a proper financial education. So, where do we even begin with this monumental task? For many of us, the go-to solutions for teaching kids about money have been limited. We might give them an allowance, encourage them to save for a specific toy, or perhaps even open a basic savings account at a local bank. These are all commendable first steps, but they often lack the immersive, real-world application that truly cements financial understanding. They might teach saving, but do they teach investing? Do they illustrate the power of growth over time? Do they make the abstract concept of market fluctuations tangible? Often, the answer is no. This is where a relatively new contender enters the arena, micro-investing apps like Acorns. Designed to make investing accessible to everyone, even those with limited funds, Acorns has popularized the concept of roundups, where spare change from everyday purchases is automatically invested. It's an intriguing premise for adults, but can this innovative approach be harnessed to educate the next generation about the intricacies of financial growth? That's the fascinating question we're going to dive into today. We'll explore whether Acorns, with its user-friendly interface and unique roundup feature, can serve as a surprisingly powerful tool for teaching kids about the fundamental principles of money management and investing. Get ready to rethink how you approach financial literacy with your children. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How exactly can Acorns be used as a teaching tool for kids, and what are its inherent advantages and disadvantages in this context? Firstly, the core concept of Acorns, roundups, is incredibly intuitive and visually appealing, especially for younger minds. Imagine this: your child buys a small toy for $9.50. Acorns rounds up the purchase to $10 and invests the remaining 50 cents. This seemingly small action, repeated over time, demonstrates the power of consistent, even minor, contributions. For a child, it's a tangible illustration of how small amounts can accumulate into something significant. You can literally show them how their 50-cent extra from buying a snack contributes to a growing investment. This makes the abstract concept of saving and investing concrete and easily understandable. It's like a supercharged virtual piggy bank that actually earns money. Beyond roundups, Acorns also offers the option for recurring investments. This is where you can truly embed the discipline of consistent saving. You could set up a weekly or monthly transfer of a small amount, say $5 or $10, into their Acorns account. This regular contribution, regardless of market fluctuations, teaches them the invaluable lesson of dollar-cost averaging and the importance of long-term consistency. You can explain that just like they consistently brush their teeth or do their homework, consistently putting money aside helps their money tree grow. Another major benefit is the visual aspect of Acorns. The app provides clear graphs and charts that illustrate the growth of their investments over time. This visual feedback is incredibly powerful for kids. They can see their initial small contributions, watch as the balance slowly but surely increases, and, most importantly, witness the magic of compounding interest in action. When they see their $5 becoming $5.05, and then $5.10, and so on, it clicks. This isn't just a number in a bank account, it's money that is actively working for them. You can show them how even without adding more money, their existing money is earning more money. This is the cornerstone of financial growth. Furthermore, Acorns introduces them to the concept of diversification, albeit in a simplified manner. When you invest with Acorns, your money is typically spread across various ETFs, exchange-traded funds, essentially baskets of different stocks and bonds. While you might not delve into the specifics of each underlying asset with a young child, you can explain that their money isn't just in one thing. It's spread out, which helps reduce risk. This lays the groundwork for understanding a diversified portfolio later in life without overwhelming them with complex market jargon. Perhaps one of the most significant advantages of using Acorns for financial education is its ability to demystify investing. For many adults, the stock market feels like an intimidating, exclusive club. Acorns, by making it accessible with small amounts, breaks down that barrier. For kids, it normalizes the idea of investing from a young age. It shows them that investing isn't just for millionaires or Wall Street moguls, it's something everyone can do. This early exposure can combat financial anxiety and empower them to take control of their financial future. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitations and potential drawbacks of using Acorns with kids. Firstly, while Acorns simplifies investing, it's still a real investment platform. This means there's inherent market risk. While you can choose a conservative portfolio, the value of their investments can go down as well as up. This presents a unique teaching opportunity, demonstrating that investing isn't always a straight line up. It allows you to introduce the concept of risk and reward in a controlled environment. You can explain that sometimes the market goes down, but historically, over the long term, it tends to go up. This teaches resilience and long-term thinking, crucial qualities for any investor. Secondly, Acorns is designed for adults. This means parental supervision and guidance are absolutely essential. You'll need to be actively involved in managing the account, explaining the concepts, and monitoring their understanding. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it solution for teaching financial literacy. It's a tool that requires your active participation as a financial mentor. You'll need to set up the account, manage the linked bank account, and be the primary point of contact for any questions or issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.